Hi, welcome to Maison Network channel, and today I'm going to do unboxing for this Durian Cheese Leleh by Qaleesya Golden. I'm not sure how does it taste, but I'm going to do unboxing and also try to taste it. Okay, and if you like it, later on the link will be below of the video, so you can straight call or WhatsApp to buy this. Okay, so Durian Qaleesya Golden Cheese Leleh, Durian D24. Okay. Full of cheese here. This is cheese. This is cream. Let's take out. Oh, I think it has to be fridge a bit, maybe because it's outside too long, but let me try to taste the flavor. It tastes more like a cheesy, how to say this, it's not really that not really strong cheese, and a bit mild, I would say, mild for the cheese taste, for the durian taste, and also not strong for the durian taste. It's very mild. For those who don't really like durian taste or smell, they can try this. And it's very how to say this, mild, and will not make you full. Like it will make you full if you take everything, but it wasn't let you full, how to say it? You can eat it again and again and again. That's what I'm trying to say, actually. Sorry. Oh, there's crepe here. Oh, when you eat it with the crepe, it's much more nicer. Oh wow, I love this. This is a product by my friend, so I try to support her. And if you like the product, you can straight away contact her, and the link to buy will be below the video. Okay, bye, thank you.